Coyote has made it possible to use either propane or natural gas when it comes to all of their grills. I know myself, I live in the country and I moved out there from the city. In the city, I had natural gas. In my new place out at the farm, I only had propane and I needed to switch to propane. So Coyote's got you covered when it comes to switching. It's a simple process that requires the orifice to be changed. Now that needs to be done by a licensed plumber or a technician. Conversion kits are available directly from Coyote at coyoteoutdoor.com or by seeing one of their licensed dealers. The thing to keep in mind is that all of the instructions that you need are included in the kit, and what you'll find is that each place that you have a burner, that's where an orifice will need to be replaced. On the C series, it'll just be the main burners, and on the S series, you'll have the infrared burners. Either way, whether you choose propane or natural gas, Coyote has got the right equipment to keep you grilling.